Hi guys, this is a tutorial kung paano po i-upload yung FTP file or yung sales file nyo for the day dito po sa FileZilla. This is very easy, so panoorin po natin. So, for example, mag-upload po tayo ng sales file for the day. Kunyari, tapos na yung araw ninyo, i-encode nyo na or na-encode nyo na. Ganito po yung pag-encode muna. So, ito po yung final template na gagamitin po natin sa pag-encode. Okay? Mapapansin nyo po, this is an Excel format, rather. Highlighted in yellow, yung mga cells po na dapat, this is mandatory. So, ibig sabihin, dapat may laman po yan. Pag wala po siyang laman, hindi po siya tatanggapin ng system. Okay? So, before we start, okay, para standard po tayong lahat, click, kung may laman po yan, burahin nyo lang, and then, kung merong example na laman, burahin nyo. So, click nyo po yung upper left corner, right click, and then you format all the cells. Okay? Dapat po, in text format po siya. So, in this case, naka-text na siya. Press OK. So, let's try to encode. Okay? Sample. Store code is 78. Memo Express Ayala CDO. Okay. Mapapansin nyo po, customer first name is not highlighted. Customer last name is highlighted. Okay? Ibig sabihin po niyan, dito nyo po ilalagay yung full name ng customer. So, Paul Castro. Email address is paul.castro@gmail.com. Example. Okay? Tayo ng mobile number 0917-651-7677. Invoice number of the handset, so Visibo 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Invoice date, okay, may format po tayo dyan. Year, that's 2016. Month, December. Day is 23. Okay. Invoice value or sum insured, yan po yung amount or purchase price ni customer kung magkano niya binayaran. For example, 25,000 pesos. Make is the brand. So, for example, Motorola. Model, Moto Z. Play. iPhone, IMEI number. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Protection type is the SKU po ng extended warranty. So, kung 25,000 po ang unit, dito po siya sa bracket na yan. So, AMS EWAD LD 20K. Start date, kung kailan din binili yung cellphone. So, yun din po yung start date ng warranty. 2016, December 23. Total premium is the SRP of extended warranty. So, 2,290. And lastly, yung channel, which is the dealer, Memo Express. That's it. Okay. So, kapag isi-save po natin yung file, wag po natin pipitin save. Save as para maiba natin yung format, which is comma delimited. Okay? Then, ang format po ng file name, the branch code, underscore date. So 2016 December 23. Then click save. So just click yes. Okay? That's it. Ngayon, bago po natin siya i-upload dito, okay, check muna natin kung tama ba yung na-save na file. Okay. So, wala na yung highlighted cells kasi CSV file na po siya. Yan. CSV file na po siya. Check natin. Cellphone number is there. Hindi man nabago. Tanggal lang yung 0. Hindi naman nabago. Okay. Tama naman. Kasi po, may mga instances kapag kinapi mo sa CSV to Excel and then you kapag CSV to Excel and then Excel to CSV na save siya, may mga instances nagiging 0 po yung 10 digits niya. Okay, so you need to check kung nabago ba o hindi. Okay, so hindi naman siya nabago. So this is ready to upload. Another reminder lang po, check po natin kung tama ba yung nalagay nating email address because dyan po natin isi-send or si Amtrust isi-send yung e-certificate po sa kanyang email. Okay? So, kailangan po, napaka-importante na tama yung mga details na nandito. Okay? So, if ready na po, babalik tayo dito sa FileZilla. Close muna natin to. I'll click save.